Hello everyone, this is a 10 puzzle number 3 from Conceptis Puzzle. First step is to see the position of the empty cells. Empty cell is not in contact with tree, even diagonally. Let's see what happens row by row. In the row number 1, here is the empty cell for sure. Row number 1, empty cell is here, and empty cell here and here. Okay. Row number 2, here is the only position for the empty cell, and another position for the empty cell in the row number 2. Row number 3, here is the empty cell, and here and here. Row number 4, there is just one empty cell right now. Row number 5, no empty cell at this stage. Row number 6, same as for the row number 5. Every cell is in contact with one of the three. Row number 7 here, and no other empty cell. Row number 8, empty cell will be here, here, and two positions here and here. What now? What happens with the row number 1 in correlation with the row number 2? In the row number 1, there is a condition for 2 tenths, but we know that 1 tree has only 1/10, and here and here will be the places for only 1/10, and the conclusion is that here at this cell should be a 10th. This is the remaining position for the 10th number 2 in this row. Okay, here is an empty cell and other cells in contact with this 10th. If at this cell is a 10th, there is a need to have another 10th here at this cell for the main condition of the row number 1. And here is a 10th, and here will be the empty cells. The condition for the row number 2 is to have 1/10, and there is only one empty cell to make this condition. And of course, here and here will be the empty cells. This tree has his own 10th, and here is the cell that has to be empty because this cell is not in contact with possible tree. The same logic is here. This tree has his own 10th, and this cell is not in contact with any of other tree, just diagonally. And here has to be empty cell. Now there is only one cell to be a 10th for the row number 3 and the condition 1/10 in this row. And here is the 10th position. Of course, here and here will be the empty cells. The column number 1 has 2 tenths, and this is one position and second position for the tenth here and tenth here. And of course this is the empty cell, and this is the another empty cell for the column number 2. Now row number 8 is in the same situation like it was the row number 1. There is a 1/10 and there is a condition, there is a 1/3 and there is a condition for 2/10. And 1/3 has only 1/10. And here are the places for the 1/10. And the last tenth for the row number 8 must be here. And if the tenth is here, the empty cells will be here, here, and here. And consequently, like it was in this row, here has to be final tenth for the row number 8. And of course, here is the empty cell. Now, in the row number 3, there is a condition for 2/10, and here will be the empty cells. In the row number 7, there is one cell and the condition for the 1/10. And here has to be this tenth. In contact is this cell and it has to be empty. In the column number 8, there is a condition for 1/10, and this is the 1/10, and here has to be empty cell. In the column number 7, the condition is to have 2/10, and there is just one position for the second tenth in this column, and this is the tenth. Column number 6, only 1/10, and these cells will be empty. Row number 4, 2/10, 1/10 is here, another one will be here. Column number 5, condition 2/10, 1/10 is here, 1/10 is here, here will be empty cell. Row number 5, the condition is 1/10, this is 1/10, here will be the empty cell. And last cell will be with the tenth, because the condition for the column number 4 to have 1/10, and row number 6 with 2/10. And here will be a tenth. This is the final solution. Thank you very much.